rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me. Turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease. Bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist. And we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase. Casamigos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine. Body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame. Baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
Painted a few more parts, so I'm gonna get the brake, get this Rask rear set adjusted.
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers.
So I fitted the Rask rear set. It fits marginally, but I think it will be okay. I don't know 100% until I get it on the road and get it tested, but it's clear by a couple of millimeters here, and also clear here, I think. Final show. So it's finished. Also the brakes finished. Here is also very marginal, maybe 1 millimeter distance here. So I also have to test the brakes properly when I get it on the road. So it's actually not so much left on the bike. It's to finish the connect all the electrical stuff, get all the switches fitted, and bleed the front brakes. So I managed to loosen the bolts. They were pretty tough to get off, but I managed to lose them. I have the brake fluid, I have a bleeding hose, new gasket, new top cover, bolts. I need to clean the bolt and get it ready for, see if I can get it to work. Okay, the oil in the bottom of the reservoir looked to be okay. There are some goofy stuff on top here, but the oil seems to be, there was a little bit oil left, and that oil was clear and it was okay, I think. So I'll clean it out as good as possible and then fill up new oil and start bleeding. have filled up the whole system with oil. It took some time because the caliper was completely empty because I changed the piston and the gaskets, seals and everything. So it got the system filled. I have good resistance in the handle now. I think I have most of the air out, so I'm gonna just it has been standing now for half an hour or something. I'm gonna air a little bit more, bleed a little bit more to see if it's any more air in the system. I have a hose with a one-way valve at the end. So, can't see any air coming. I have I think it's good. Can't see any leaks either, so I think it's okay. I did a mistake when I cut the handlebar because it was too wide. I couldn't get the cables to reach the headlight, so I had to cut it. I cut it about 5 centimeters. And when I cut it, I noticed that the material is very thick. So I couldn't find any stock mirrors that would fit inside because it's only 12 millimeters. And I can't move it further in because it starts to bend here. And if I put on clamp-on mirrors, it won't be enough space for my hand when I get the handle on. So that was a bit of a mistake. I'm already too far in because it starts to bend here, the handlebars. Actually, it should be 1 centimeter more that way or out. So what I did, bought a new one that I don't have to cut, and stock mirrors will fit inside. It's no big deal, I can use these handlebars on my next project. New handlebars are on. Fits good, looks okay. Happy with that. To fit the mirrors, I will have to drill out a bigger hole here. I ordered these handlebar mirrors from Snell. Not very expensive, so I'm gonna install them and see how it looks. I have drilled holes in the handles, so should be okay. On this side I had to cut a little bit to get it to fit. It's okay now. It's an interesting design of these mirrors from Snell. They have 4 different sizes of Umbraco bolts. Small one, medium, a little bit bigger, and large one. And when you put it in the steering handle, when you start tightening, it will only, the whole assembly will just go around. This doesn't stop here. It goes around and around. You can stand there forever and try to get it to stick. So what I had to do was to take a hammer, hammer this one in until it starts to stick on the steering handle, and then turn it. Then it will stick. So the mirrors are on. I'm not too sure about it, if it looks okay or not. I'm gonna keep them as is for the time being, and I will see how it looks when I get the tank and the saddle and everything on. So this is how it looks with the new steering handlebars and the new mirrors. Yeah, looks okay. I have finally decided for the paint, for the color. It will be a very dark gray, almost like weapon gray. So that's the next project, will be to paint the tank and the seat cover and the side cover. And the bike is almost finished. When I started this project, it was going just to be a quick, cheap project, and I used some cheap paint. That was a mistake, and for the tank and the saddle, the seat, I have bought some better paint. I'm going to paint it myself. I'm not an expert, but I will do it myself because I don't want the cost to be too much on this bike. So next video will be preparing and painting, and then it's almost finished. Just some few issues here and there, and then it's ready for the road. Started painting, not great, but not terrible either.